Isn't it time you made your crypto portfolio great again? The markets aren't fair, which means you need a tool that gives you an edge. Cryptohopper makes your life easier by automating all the manual processes needed to trade, taking your emotion out of the equation, and works tirelessly to execute your strategies and help you make smart trading decisions even when you're sleeping. At the same time, you'll also gain access to an expert suite of tools to create serious cryptocurrency opportunities in bull markets and bear markets. Imagine being able to trade 24/7 without making careless mistakes, or letting your emotions make you sell at the worst possible time. Imagine being able to execute some of the world's most successful cryptocurrency trading strategies used by expert analysts, even as you sleep. Imagine being able to make profits even in the iciest of crypto winters, sniping profits from grizzly bears with automated shorting trades that fire at just the right moment. It's time to board the rocket ship to the moon. Stop imagining and start trading in just a few minutes by joining a community of thousands of other successful cryptocurrency traders using Cryptohopper today. The moon's yours for the taking. Crypto opportunity never sleeps. Neither does Cryptohopper.